Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology before an exam. First, gather all your study materials, including your syllabus, textbooks, and class notes. Spend about 15 minutes quickly scanning these resources to identify the major themes and topics. Focus on areas your instructor emphasized or those with significant weight. Prioritize these high-yield concepts, dedicating roughly 1/3 of your limited study time to mastering them. This initial assessment is crucial for efficient preparation. Now let's dive into active learning. Instead of passively rereading, try explaining concepts out loud as if teaching someone else. This technique, known as active recall, significantly boosts retention. For intricate topics like cellular respiration or genetics, create brief summaries or flashcards. Aim for one-page summaries per major topic. Remember, understanding the why and how is far more effective than simply memorizing definitions. Spend about 45 minutes per major topic using this method. Practice is paramount for solidifying your knowledge. Dedicate approximately 1 hour to working through practice questions from your textbook, past exams, or reliable online sources. Don't just answer them. Analyze your mistakes. If you consistently miss questions on a particular concept, revisit that specific section of your notes or textbook. This targeted review ensures you're not wasting precious time on what you already know, but rather strengthening your weak points. As the exam approaches, do a final, quick scan of the most challenging topics you identified earlier. This isn't for deep study, but for a quick mental refresh. Make sure you have all your necessary materials like pens, pencils, and any permitted aids ready the night before. Most importantly, prioritize rest. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. A well-rested mind performs significantly better than an exhausted one, maximizing your chances of success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.